What's up, everybody? So I'm over here working on the 240 today again, and I'm gonna be trying to install the new clutch. And luckily I found a used Rb25 transmission here locally, and I'm gonna swap it out with the new one I just got and try that one, see if it's good. Hopefully the new one is really good like the guy says, and if it's really good, then I'm probably gonna try to rebuild my other one and hopefully keep it as a backup, and we'll see. Hopefully it works good. So I'm gonna be just pretty much pulling the engine all the way out again with the tranny and everything out, and installing the new clutch and the new tranny in. Show you the car. Already started getting some things off of it, but it's pretty much everything's still in there. Just gonna start taking all that stuff off now and getting it ready to pull it out. Show you that in a little bit once I'm having everything out of it. Alright, so I got the motor and everything out thanks to the help of my friends over here. So here it is right there. Got the motor out. Here's the car. A lot of work just had to do. I made it a little bit easier. I cut the radiator support, and then I made a little mount so I can put it back on here. I saw that online and just kind of copied that idea. It helped out a lot, honestly, not having to lift the motor like 20 feet in the air and then tilting it and having to just finesse it in there. It just made it a lot easier. Have it out there, put it on like a ghetto stand. About to pull the tranny off. I got the new tranny, like I said, a new clutch that's gonna go on. I also got a eBay special new flywheel. I ran the same one for 3 years now and it's fine, so I just got another one. I think it's better than having it resurfaced. Just gonna replace it and try that. So I'll show you that in a little bit once I have the tranny and everything off. Alright, so got the tranny out, got the clutch out that was slipping. Show you a little bit here. Pretty burnt out, has a little groove right there. It was already worn before, but it wasn't like that. It wasn't burnt or like anything like that. The disc is actually not like bad. I mean, it's bad, but it's not like they're still used to it. I don't know why it's slipping. And then that's burnt also all the way around again. And there's the old tranny that's making a whole bunch of noises. So just swapping all that. Here's the new stuff. The same thing that's going back on. Same exact flywheel. Here's brand new, obviously. New ACT clutch. I ran it for, like I said, about 2.5 years, 3 years. Same setup right there. And it's still good, so I mean, it's not good, but it was good. I'm sure with a little more care and not so much drifting, it'll last a long time. And then here's that new tranny. So it's already pretty much ready. Put the new throwout bearing that I had put on that one already on here. Greased it all up. Have it ready to go. Put the mount on it. The speed sensor that they took off. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this transmission. It's in really good condition. I mean, looking at it outside is one thing, but like all the screws are like brand new around it. This is still like shiny. So we'll see. Gonna start installing all this stuff right now, and I'll show you in a little bit once it's ready to go back into the car. Alright, so I got the new clutch installed. About to put the tranny on it. Alright, so we got the new tranny installed onto the motor with the new clutch, flywheel, and jacking it up to go back into the car. So we'll see in a little bit. Hopefully I get it in there nice and smooth again, and you should be able to bolt it all back down. Alright, so we got it into the car pretty easily thanks to removing that radiator support. And now I just gotta tighten everything back down and put everything all the way back on. So I'll start doing that now, and I'll show you guys in a little bit once it's almost all put together. Alright, so here it is. I pretty much got everything already back into it, almost ready to go. It's almost getting dark out, so I just wanted to show you this a little before it does get dark. Just a little thing I was talking about to put the radiator support back on. I saw it online. The guy had like a cool little bracket that he made. It was really nice. I just made like a little straight bracket just to bolt it on back, and that's it. It's pretty solid. Did it on both sides. Doesn't really move. I mean, it's still really weak, I guess, because it's all cut anyway. Just waiting for a little more fun so I could get a nice bash bar in the front, and it should be good to go. But we'll see. I'm not really planning on crashing, but you never know, accidents always happen, so it's good to make it strong. Alright, let me get back to work, and I'll show you in a little bit once I'm gonna start it up. Alright, so here it is. Got it all back together. All the stuff back onto the engine. Put the new clutch in, the new tranny in, and I'm about to start it up and try it. Hopefully it's all good to go and it drives good, and I can shift good, and it doesn't have any grinding issues or anything like that. So we'll see. I'll try to start it up and see how it runs, see if we have any other problems, any leaking, and try to drive it, see if we're actually good. It's pretty good, I guess. It doesn't make any noises. Let it warm up for a little bit, and then I'm gonna drive it around the parking lot, and we'll see how that goes. See if it's good, see if we can shift good, and see if we have any other problems. Alright, so I just took the 240 around the block, and it seems pretty good. I'm just gonna drive it home and pretty much try it out, see if the tranny is really good, and hopefully it's good. Alright, that was a quick little fix. Had to put the throttle cable back on really fast and just